So we're going to do a full walkthrough. We're coming to you today on this very windy day before our summer gets here. I guess it's hopefully the last storms of the year, the winter storms. We're at Amelia Island Yacht Base in Suntex. I'm going to show you this 2019 Boston Weather 270 Dauntless. Great package for all around boating, offshore, family, everything. This boat's got some goodies on it. It's powered by the Mercury Verado 350. It's got two practically new blade power poles on it. This has got the Pure Tip Products enormous hydraulic jack plate. Back there you've got your raw water wash down. Right here is your cord for your built-in battery charger. Now they did take the Boston Weather stickers off. You can put stickers and stripes back on if you like. Boat's in good shape. A couple little dings on the hull, which it's just cosmetic. It can be repaired. See a little ding right there. Don't let that be worrisome. It can be fixed or just left the same. So I'm going to climb in the boat. It does have a 4-rung ladder, so you have to get in the boat. See your transducer, your speed wheel. It's got dual Raymarines in it. See in the back you've got your rod holders for fishing. Right now I've got the seat up, but I'm going to give you a little show here. Several different things on the boat. So right here you've got your back seat up, so taking family out, enjoying the boat ride. They got this nice stainless steel rail to hang on to. Down underneath these seats, which are built in to a battery charger. Underneath that area there, you got 3 batteries. That's your power poles. So you probably have 2 house batteries and 1 cranking battery, I imagine. So this locks down, so when you're out fishing, back here with your live well, you got a freshwater wash down here, big live well. Over here you've got your freshwater shower. So you got 2 freshwater showers. Over here on your dash you got 2 big Raymarine screens. I have them on right now. 2 big Raymarine screens. You got your Raymarine marine radio, your Fusion stereo system, all your switches. This is your Yamaha gauges, tells you, your Mercury gauges, tells you everything going on. Lincoln trim tabs with the lights, power pole controls, engine bracket controls. And here's your big center console for storage. They got all the cushions in here. There's your fuse breakers. You have to have a pump out porta potty in there also. Up here is all your seating. Ton of seating. Upholstery is going to have to be updated. Not that much, but so these pull up to make a backrest when you're out. So you got a cushion that goes there, cushions that go here, so when you're out with the family you got a nice backrest for riding. I'll do this one hand, there it goes. Your fish boxes on both sides. Very large fish box, stainless steel. Box. You have to put a trolling motor on this for your trolling motor. big anchor lock. Got rod holders up front. Cup holders. So this is a very large storage area right here. See if I can lift it up. I'm going to put my camera down. Lift it up. There it goes. Step down. Tons of storage for all your water gear, rod and reels. Go in there. Very nice setup. Just give Larry Wood a call. Website www.redmondyachts.com, and we'll get any more information you can need. Please like our videos. Plus life jacket pouch. I always forget some things. Have a great day.